the holy meme coin that Napoleon couldn't steal. Pop versus Napoleon. Pop coin is aimed to a Bitcoin layer to forget from the epic 1809 showdown when Napoleon, the ultimate dragon, kidnapped Pop Pius VII for 5 years and dropped a "Not Me Bro" letter. We were turning that legendary drama into a meme-fueled on-chain movement blending humor, history, and a deflationary anti-rug pull vibe to keep the truth alive. Here you can check it out. Their pre-sale. Their pre-sale start in 1 day. 8 hours and some seconds. Next we have their Napoleon's epic rug pull and Vatican's ultimate reserve card. You can check it out, all the stuff right here. Next we have that why Pop token is going parabolic. Base EF history. While other meme coins are based on random frogs and dogs, Pop token is based on an actual historical fight between a pop and an emperor. It's like if Pappy had fought in the Napoleonic Wars. We were not just a meme, we are a history lesson with sick gains. Holly Tokenomic, 15% allocated to bonus and staking reward to bless the faithful holders. When you stake Pop token, you are basically getting blessed for your crypto faith. Plus, we have got zero taxes, unlike what Napoleon started to impose on the Vatican. Based community. Join our congregation of crypto believers. The Pop token community isn't just holders, we are a fellowship of meme lords. We have got Diamond Hand blessed by centuries of Vatican's resilience. When we say to the moon, it's basically a prayer. Darkest meme ever. We are combining the viral power of memes with actual historical significances. It's like if Dogecoin had a PhD in European history. Our memes aren't just funny, they're educational. Your portfolio and your brain will thank you. Pop token, because if the pop could survive Napoleon, your portfolio can survive this bear market. Next we have their Popionomics, divinely inspired tokenomics that would make even sense. Hodl Pop token. Holly supply. We didn't choose 1.8 tokens by accident. We are literally memeing the year Napoleon's kidnapped the pop. Here you can check it out. Their pre-sale 40%. 40% of token goes to fellow pop believers. Diamond hands will be rewarded in heaven. Lock liquidity 25%. LP lock for 5 years. Exactly how long Napoleon's imprisons the pop. We are literally based on history. Bonus and staking 15%. Faithful hodlers will be rewarded. Stake your pop token and earn divine reward over time. Marketing 15%. Spreading the gospel of pop token to the masses. Even Jesus had apostles. We have memes and influencers. Development 5%. Funding the sacred coders who build our divine ecosystem. Rome wasn't built in a day, but Pop token might moon in one. The divine allocation. Here you can check it out. Their tokenomic circles. And further, more detail. No taxes, no rug, no Napoleons. This is an amazing platform. Tokenomics so good, even Napoleon would FOMO in. Next we have app into the Holly pre-sale. Grab your Pop token bags before Napoleon find out. Round 3. Here you can check it out. Their raise USDT. Their remaining Pop token. Their per Pop token pre-sale rate is 0.002189 USDT and their next rate is 0.0002408 USDT. Here you can check it out, the rounds and their pre-sale. You can simply write your USD amount, select your chain, and here you can see that how much token you will get. Simply connect your wallet and buy these tokens. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Here you can check it out that what do people think about Pop token. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. This is a fabulous project. Next we have their Pop token mode map. How we are taking the pop from Napoleon's prison to Crypto Valhalla. Here you can check it out, the phases. Phase 1, Pop Origins, the Heist. Create the darkest Pop versus Napoleon memes ever. Launch Pop token website with sick Vatican's animation. Chill to crypto dragons and history buffs. Open the multi-chain FOMO gates. Next we have Phase 2, Vatican's takeover. The Resistance. Unleash the Holly pre-sale for diamond-handed believers. Initial first wave of divine staking reward. Grow Holly community to 100k plus diamond-handed believers. Launch PopChain Alpha Testnet, the first secured Bitcoin layer 2. Get listed on exchanges that even Napoleons couldn't conquer. Phase 3, Papal Pump the Liberation. Release PopChain Beta Testnet blockchain technology blessed by Papal Court. Unleash the Pop ecosystem blessed by world with Pop token utilities partnership and Holly Crusades. Get listed on top exchanges from Binance to Coinbase. We are praying, memeing and crusading our way into the big league. Dragons assemble. Vatican theme Times Square billboard. Phase 4 to the moon the legacy. Launch PopChain mainnet. The great Bitcoin exodus begins. Convert the masses to the one true chain. Deploy PopChain bridges, holy passages for crypto believers to transfer their assets from Bitcoin to the promised land. Build the holy PopChain ecosystem. Develop dApps, DeFi protocol, and divine oracles that make Bitcoin look like ancient stone tables. Some on the Holy Memers Guide, Meme the Normies, Holy History Lessons, Moonshot, Global Meme Domination. You can check it out, the roadmap. This is an amazing project. Next, we have the FOMO questions. Everything Evan Napoleon would ask before apping in. Here you can check it out, the questions like what is Pop Token? Pop Token is the darkest crypto tribute to history's greatest drug pull. When Napoleon literally kidnapped Pope Pius VII in 1809, we are turning this historical L into the Vatican's crypto W. Not blasphemy, a divine portion, 15% is reserved for bonus and staking reward for loyal believers. Think of us as crypto crusaders, blessing holders. Like this, you can eat further more questions like here. This is an outstanding platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Here you can check it out, the social platform. Join the Popcoin community, be part of a token with historical significances and divine reward for believer. You can see their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here. This is an amazing platform. Now I'm showing you their white paper. Here you can see Pop, the holy meme coin that Napoleons couldn't steal, turning history biggest L into crypto biggest W. Released on 5/2025. Here you can check it out, the table of content. Here you can see the meme holy war begins, the dire problem, the divine solution, and further more details. You must check it out there. White paper for better understanding about the Popcoin. This is an amazing platform. I hope you like the video. So if you are looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Popcoin with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It's positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.